Here's an uncommon app you might want to start using as you start scaling your Shopify store. It's this shipping insurance app called Corso, but there's also a bunch of other ones like it out there. Essentially, what apps like this will do is offer your customers in-cart upsells for shipping insurance and basically ensure that they receive their products undamaged. Now, usually the way it works is they charge anywhere from 1 to 2% of the cart's value as the insurance fee to the customer. So basically, let's just say a customer adds something to cart worth $100. A shipping insurance app would offer them shipping insurance for $1 or $2 extra. They would complete checkout on your website, and then you would simply pay that $1 or $2, whatever the fee was, directly back to that insurance company. And then, let's just say in the worst case scenario, a customer's package gets lost or the item is damaged. This customer would reach out to the shipping insurance company, you can see like over here. They would submit this form, and basically that shipping insurance company would repay the full price for whatever item that they ordered from your website, and then they would be responsible for shipping that item back to the customer. So simply speaking, you yourself as a merchant would never go out of pocket if your item is delivered damaged or it goes missing. These shipping insurance companies will basically pay you whatever the original order total amount was to get you to reship the items to the customer. And the whole benefit of actually doing this is that you don't have to increase your prices and lose out on some of your profit margin by offering this insurance yourself. And if you think about it, if you raise your prices by $1 or $2, then it's very likely that your conversion rates will drop. However, if it's offered as an optional upsell, just like this is exactly what it will look like, then it's very likely you won't face that same issue because, again, it's optional, as well as the fact that it's provided by a third-party reputable company and it's clear to the customer that it's not something that you're pocketing. You could also offer the shipping insurance as a post-purchase upsell, but it's not something that I would personally do. Also, in the case of some of these shipping insurance companies like Corso, you can see that they have this whole sustainability, eco-friendly kind of ethical stance built around the company, which is definitely something that some customers really like to see these days, and you can kind of leverage that in your brand's positioning. Now, there is a chance that you might just be better off self-insuring the packages if the rate at which they go missing is super low and it isn't a huge expense to you. So it is something you need to figure out for yourself. Just run the numbers on your past orders and see if it makes sense to get one of these apps. And if you want to see more ecom videos just like this, then make sure you are following my account and like this video.